Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find picture-in-picture effects, or how to do picture-in-picture in any video on your account on Rednote. So the answer is easy. For example, first thing, you click on the application and enter it, and then choose any video you want, and here you will find this share icon. Click on it, and then you will find this picture-in-picture. Click on it,
that I love
and as you
making
see
and
here,
eating all the time is a good fluffy burliner, and this is my go-to recipe.
And I test the recipes of the internet.
so that's how to do it, as you see, and that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.